What would a Cybertruck look like once it becomes a battle-ready vehicle? The US military revealed plans to incorporate electric vehicles into its arsenal for remote missions, pointing out Tesla as one of the potential brand examples. Cybertruck will have an estimated output of 800 horsepower and 1,000 pound-feet of torque, plenty of power to propel the hefty metal box to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds, and tow up to 14,000 pounds. Want to know about it? Well, stay tuned to the video and watch the video till the end. Hello guys, welcome to the Elon Musk exclusive. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get new updates about technology and development and basically anything around real Tony Stark, Elon Musk. Hit the like button to show your support, and in today's video we're going to talk about Elon Musk just revealed the insane Tesla military Cybertruck combat vehicle. So without any further ado, let's begin. The Tesla Cybertruck is a one-of-a-kind truck that features numerous unique selling points. Right from its shape to its exoskeleton, everything is unconventional. Tesla has also made use of cold-rolled steel for the body, which is the same material used by SpaceX. Tesla CEO Elon Musk revealed the highly anticipated truck in November, saying the Cybertruck could be completely adaptable for your needs. In line with this adaptability, Tesla also teased its own rendering of the Cybertruck as a cyber camper with a pull-out kitchen and a pop-top roof, a popular camper van feature. Elon Musk also describes the Cybertruck as an armored personnel carrier from the future. It comes as no surprise that the internet has now created renderings of what a Cybertruck could look like when used in the military. The project came from YouTuber Electric Future, who teamed up with car designer PEISART to design a Cybertruck that can handle the heat of combat. In their video, they discuss how the truck's incredibly strong, ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel exoskeleton and bulletproof windows can serve well in combat situations, as well as a series of other upgrades such as solar panels and cells for prolonged missions, additional armor to defend from mines, and even a Faraday cage to withstand EMPs. These renderings are so spectacular you'd think a bulletproof Cybertruck was ready for military duties right now. Along with the renderings, PEISART designed blueprints that detail the military transport Cybertruck designs. Looking like vehicles Army generals would dream about at night, the reinterpreted Cybertrucks have been designed to fit a variety of roles. First, there's the Quiet Scout, an armored Renaissance vehicle. Then, the next Humvee, whose name is well self-explanatory for the role it's supposed to fill. And finally, the Plaid Apocalypse, a truck meant for civilians to use, provided they manage to survive the end of days. The next Humvee is designed for military transport, and it fits into the character perfectly. Just the previous rendering, this one too, is entirely armored and features foldable solar panels and has utility storage on both sides. The truck is painted in military green hue along with the US Army crest and the US flag on the side profile. Exciting as they are, none of these designs are real vehicles. Sure, the Cybertruck will likely exceed the status of an electric pickup truck for the masses, and its design and technology would probably be adapted for other roles. But that's still a long way from happening. As far as the military is concerned, an electric combat vehicle is still a distant dream. There are plans to make some prototypes in the future, and the Cybertruck was even acknowledged for its merits in terms of platform and powertrain. But these projects will probably not happen very soon. With its armored personnel carrier looks and capabilities, the Tesla Cybertruck could be a suitable candidate. The Cybertruck's stout build and powerful electric powertrain provide a good base for a high-mobility up-armored vehicle, and the truck's low thermal signature and quiet electric motor make it well-suited for reconnaissance operations where stealth mobility and resilience are valued. Tesla founder Elon Musk famously said, "You want a truck that's really tough, not fake tough." Well, we want a truck with defensive and offensive capabilities suitable for a variety of conflict scenarios. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has announced that the US-based electric vehicle manufacturer's much-anticipated Cybertruck will come with a high-end 4-motor variant when it's formally launched in the market. Initial production will be 4 motor variants with independent ultra-fast response torque control of each wheel. Elon Musk shared the information in a tweet. Calling the electric pickup truck insane technology bandwagon, Musk said the Cybertruck would have both front and rear wheel steer that would not just turn like a tank, it can drive diagonally like a crab. The vehicle would compete with pickup trucks such as GMC's Hummer EV, Ford's F-150 Lightning, and Rivian's R1T. Of those, R1T is driven by the 4 individual motors powering all 4 wheels, and GMC's Hummer can drive diagonally. With Tesla CEO Elon Musk describing the Cybertruck as an armored personnel carrier from the future, several people suggested that the military could end up using the Cybertruck as a platform to build electric military vehicles. It would be sort of the reverse Hummer, which was a military vehicle first but was later turned into a commercial vehicle. But the Cybertruck has several other advantages going for it that most commercial vehicles don't, including the fact that it's built with an ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel exoskeleton. Tesla claims that an optional solar cell system on the top of the electric pickup truck is going to generate about 15 miles worth of electricity per day. A rendered version of the Tesla Cybertruck is seemingly designed to transport Army personnel in and out of the battle zone. Wrapped in a grayish-green finish, this rendering, dubbed the Next Humvee, features tiny horizontal windows on the side and horizontal LED units both on the front and rear. Next Humvee also features a machine gun turret and installation of solar panels and a front winch. The Cybertruck has also been rendered as the Quiet Scout reconnaissance unit, complete with an automatic machine gun turret on top. Quiet Scout is fully camouflaged to allow it to conceal itself in case of jungle warfare. Lastly, the Cybertruck has been rendered as a combat unit featuring heavy angled armor. Mounted on top of this combat vehicle named Tank is what looks like a 105mm tank gun. In the civil plate apocalypse armored Cybertruck, the entire truck has the armor upgraded over what Tesla has to offer. This upgrade is for the entire vehicle, including the windows. The front bumpers are extended and additional bars are added to the doors for extra protection. Shocking door handles and utility storage for both sides are also present in this rendition of the Cybertruck. This truck will be powered by the Plate powertrain. When the Cybertruck was launched, it was estimated that the Plate powertrain could produce 800 horses and 1,000 pound-feet of torque, while the standard variants of the Cybertruck could feature just the locking differential. The Plate powertrain equipped in the Cybertruck could come with torque vectoring as well. On the inside, the Cybertruck is converted into a 12-seater with a third row in place of the truck bed in what looks like 6 jump seats. Access to these seats is via a door that seems to open upwards, although there's no mention of this. Overall, this transport Cybertruck looks the part and can audition for the military transport vehicle for the US Army position. Elon Musk has recently said that the Cybertruck will feature Tesla's flagship tech for the future, meaning it'll be a technology powerhouse. He wrote on Twitter, "Cybertruck will reach far into a post-apocalyptic future and bring that technology to now." Tesla Cybertruck was showcased for the first time in November 2019 and has been touted as a battery-powered vehicle with the capability of a pickup but performance of a sports car. Tesla's fully electric pickup truck, Cybertruck, is made of stainless steel used in rockets. The Cybertruck will cost as much as $39,900 for the base single-motor version and $69,900 for the tri-motor range topper. Tesla claims Cybertruck has a range of nearly 950 kilometers on a single charge, can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds, and is capable of towing up 6,300 kilos of weight. Now that we've come to the end of this video, I want to thank you for sticking with me, and I'd love to know what you think of it. Just comment down below, and also if you like the video, make sure you like it and stay safe. Today's video is over, but if you want to see more, there's one on your screen right now, and there are a few more fun videos coming soon about everyday technology. I'll see you in the next video.